Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome to another episode of Soul Speak with Sonam. Thank you so much for all your love and support. I hope you all are doing fine. Last week I posted a video on twin flame relationships and how to recognize if you are in one. So if you have felt any signs or at any point you have felt that you are in a twin flame relationship, don't forget to check out that video. I also have a cord cutting video which is doing very well, and a lot of people are writing to me saying that it has really helped them in cutting cords from someone in the past or moving on from a relationship, forgiving someone or improving an existing relationship. So if you need anything like that, don't forget to check out my cord cutting video. Today I bring for you a pick a card reading, and I'm going to look at what your career holds for the next couple of months. Whenever you see it, this is a timeless reading. This is also a general reading, so take what resonates. Not everything will resonate with everyone. And as usual, you can win a free mini reading from me, so do keep an eye out for that. As always, if you want to book a private session with me, the details are in the description box. My sessions are very detailed and with no time constraint, and I have been doing this for 14 years now. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can stand to win a free reading, plus also it helps me encourage more videos. So I'll just stop here while you go ahead and choose your stone. Hello, welcome back. So I hope that you've made your choice. In this reading, I'm going to tell you anything that I can see happening in your career in the near future, and this is a timeless reading, so it's applicable whenever you see it. So I will tell you how your career is going to be, if there is any change happening, anything that you need to do, and as always, I will include guidance in this. So let's begin with all the people who have chosen the clear quartz. So let's see what your career holds for you over the next couple of weeks or months. So for all the people who have chosen the clear quartz, I feel that some of you are looking for a change of some sort, and probably you are a little irritated with where you are in your career right now. Maybe at times you feel that you have been here for a very long time and there's no more growth. I feel that the energy is very stagnant, and a lot of you might be feeling that it's been stagnant for a while. Actually, the hangman tells me that not a lot is happening. So this man is hanging upside down, and as you can see, his situation is quite stagnant. He's not moving forward. He's not even standing on his feet. So I do feel that a lot of you feel that there's been a lot of stagnation in your career for a long time, and you might look at other people and think that they are progressing at a faster rate than you are. This card tells me that over the next couple of weeks or months, if you are planning for any sort of a change, it is likely to happen. However, you need to wait for more information to come your way. So if you are looking for a change, and I feel that a lot of you are being asked not to rush into any decision, because the more you wait, the more information will come your way. You are, if a decision does not feel right, don't go for it. If it does not feel right from the inside, don't just go for it simply because simply because you are getting an offer. That's not correct. You need to wait for the right offer, and if you give it more time, you will see that you get more clarity. So if you feel that you are being forced to take a decision, just say no. I also feel that this is a good time for you to make a change, in the sense that, as I said, if you wait for more information and if you wait for the right offer to come in, I feel that you're going to get a lot of support or a leg up from a lot of people around you. So for most of you, I feel you are going to get some sort of support from your community, your ex-colleagues, your relatives, your friends, your acquaintances. So do a lot of networking. I feel that if you're looking for a change, a referral is how you are going to get the next job offer. And if you are in a business of some sort, then someone might refer you to a big client, or otherwise you might get a lot of support from community or people around you. I just feel that the universe and the people around you are going to give you a leg up of some sort. So don't forget to take that opportunity to ask for their help, and I feel that eventually this will lead to freedom in the sense freedom from your current situation, freedom from the stagnation that you currently find yourself in, and freedom from feeling that you're stuck in a place where there's no growth. So I do feel that you'll get the freedom that you deserve from this place, and your guidance is to accept support from the people around you, and moreover to ask for support from people around you. I'm also going to draw one more card to see what the current situation is. I feel that maybe you have sent in your applications, or you have applied to a couple of places and you're yet to hear from them. For some of you, this might be true, that you are waiting for some sort of information to come in. Also, if you're involved in any sort of legal dispute or a case or a lawsuit, this time period is going to work in your favor, and I feel that victory will be yours. If you're involved in any sort of case or anything, it can be related to your personal life, it need not be related to your job or your career. And this is especially positive for those who are in the legal field, or if you are a lawyer or a judge or anything like that. I feel this is a very good sign for you. I get this from this card, Chariot. I also feel that any admin work or anything pending, any paperwork, I feel that anything which is remaining to be done for a long time, I feel it will get you will get a push from the universe to finish all those tasks over the next couple of weeks, so you can get all your pending admin work done. That is a good sign that I see. So overall, I do see some changes happening. I feel that the current energy where you feel stuck, it's going to end, and you're going to get that respite, and you're going to get some sort of movement forward. This is good movement, this is forward movement, this is for your growth. At the same time, if you get an offer from someone, you should not just take it up simply because you don't have anything else in hand. Do wait for more information to come in. Ask the universe for more information. Only take a decision when it feels right. Don't be afraid of asking for help. Don't be afraid of reaching out to your network of people. Network a lot with people from Facebook or wherever, your ex-colleagues or whoever you know, and ask them if they know of any job openings in your relevant field. And I do feel that you will get a freedom from your current situation where you are feeling a little stagnated and also a little frustrated because you're not able to do anything about it. So this is a very good sign for all the people who have picked the clear quartz. In your comments, let me know if this resonates, and also to let me know what kind of pick a card reading you would want me to do next. And do let me know if this resonates with you, and absolutely if anything in this reading resonated, and I would love to hear from you. I will also choose one lucky winner for a mini free card reading, so it could be you. Don't forget to win the mini free card reading. I have again an intuitive quiz for you. So in my hand I have a card which has a number from 25 to 45. You have to guess what this card number is. If you guess this correctly, anyone and everyone who guesses this number correctly stands to win a free mini reading from me. The last time I did it, I had a lucky winner, and I hope this time it's you. So the number is between 25 to 45, both numbers included. Take a guess, any guess. It can be 31, 26, 41, 39, anything you think. Just go ahead and take a guess. Let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching. And now we get to the next part of the reading, which is for everyone who had chosen this moonstone. So let us see what your career holds for the next couple of weeks or months, whenever this is applicable. As always, this is a general reading, so take what resonates, and I'm going to tell you if I see any change in your current work status, and any sort of change or anything important that I can see. Also, if you are for all the people who picked the clear quartz, I missed saying this when I was shooting for you. If you are looking for an employment opportunity, if you're currently unemployed and looking for an employment opportunity, and you feel that your situation has been very stagnant, then also the cards are very positive for you. I do feel some offer coming to you. So everything that I said is still applicable. And now moving back to all the people who have chosen the white moonstone, let me see what the next couple of weeks or months hold for your career. Amazing. The first sign that I can see is that currently you are not in a great place. Some of you might have felt betrayed in some way, either by someone at your workplace or some kind of situation. Maybe you were hoping for a promotion or a good hike or something and you did not get it. It is a possibility that you were disappointed by someone or something at your workplace or in your career. It's also a possibility that maybe you were applying for a job and you were very hopeful about getting it, but it did not work out. If you are in a business, maybe it was a client or a deal that you were hoping to finalize, but it did not happen and it left you feeling very disappointed. I also see some sort of deception or backstabbing energy around you. So some of you might have gone through some sort of disappointment. It can also be related to your personal life. So some of you who have picked the moonstone might also have had a recent breakup or a letdown of some sort, which is affecting your career, which is why I can see it in your career reading. The reason why I bring this up is because I feel that it has impacted your career in some way. So whether it was personal or whether it was related to your workplace, I feel that this has affected your energy a bit. But worry not. What I see happening over the next couple of weeks or months is the fruits of your labor are going to they're going to ripen and you're going to get the fruits of your labor. So I really do see a very good financially abundant period for you. I feel that this is a time when any sort of investment that you've made, if you have invested in any investment vehicle or any sort of new asset, maybe cryptocurrency or whatever you might have invested in, I feel this is a good time where you will start seeing some returns. I also feel that if you're planning to purchase a house, this is a very good time to make some sort of investment. So either you've already made some investment and you will see some returns, or if you haven't done that, this is a good time to invest. Also, for those of you who are planning to do maybe a course or something to enhance your resume, I feel this is an excellent time to invest in yourself. What I also feel is that if you're waiting for some sort of you might have invested in this some time back and you're yet to see results, this is a time when you will see results. Or if you have done some sort of professional course but until now you feel that it has not really helped you get a better job, or this has not really enhanced your resume, this is a time when you will start seeing the advantages of having done that, or the good results from doing that. In a nutshell, anything that you have put in effort is now when it starts paying off. I see your next card is blessings, which is very apt indeed. So I see a lot of blessings coming your way. These blessings are going to come in all sorts of way. I feel not just to do with your career but also with your family. I feel that you're going to be very happy. Interestingly, the next guidance card for you is called the Fates. So I do feel that a lot of this is fated. Maybe you were supposed to go through this disappointment to appreciate what's coming next, or this blessing. So these two go hand in hand. I feel that for this particular group of people who have chosen the white moonstone, I feel that this heartbreak or this separation or letdown or whatever disappointment it was necessary for you to get to these blessings, for you to appreciate what this brings your way. And I feel that you will soon see why the disappointment happened and what was the universe's bigger plan for you. For some of you, this could be losing a job suddenly. You might have been laid off or something, but it's all going to work out in your favor, because I see that this was all fated. The fates, this card says that this was all fated, and you need to stop seeing yourself as a victim of circumstances. Rather, you need to see that sometimes the universe has a bigger plan and it all works out for you. I especially feel in terms of financial abundance, this is an excellent time for you. I don't see, unless you're unemployed, in which case you have all these blessings coming up, I don't see that for a lot of you, I don't see a change in job. Rather, I see investments in yourself or in your job working out over the next couple of months. So if you have been putting in a lot of effort in your current job or role, and if you've not gotten the rewards yet, I feel that over the next couple of months you will feel valued by your organization and you will see the signs of blessings that I have been talking about. So I feel that this is more of a time to reap rewards of what you have invested in the past, rather than looking for a change. And I hope this resonated with you. Do let me know in the comments. I read all my comments and I would love to know if any of this resonated with you. And as always, you can win a free mini reading. I'm sorry. So you just have to guess the number on this oracle card. It is a number between 25 to 45. You have to guess it correctly. Anyone and everyone who guesses it correctly will get a free mini reading from me. I will individually get in touch with you. Don't forget to leave your guesses in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching. And now we move to the next set. So all the people who have picked the rose quartz heart, so let's see what your career holds for you over the next couple of weeks or months. And I'm going to tell you if I see any changes or anything interesting or anything important happening in your career, and I will also include some guidance so that you can navigate through it successfully. Okay, so let me see. So for all the people who have picked the rose quartz, let's see. Okay, so I feel that for all the people who have picked the rose quartz, there has been this has been an uneventful period for some of you. You have not had a lot of growth or any success at your career. I'm not saying you've not had success, but it's been a little uneventful. It's been a little stagnant. Maybe you are recuperating from something. Maybe you're recuperating from a health issue or a personal setback, but I feel this is a time for rest and relaxation for many of you. I also feel that you are probably taking a lot of time thinking about what has happened in the past. This could be something related to your personal life, if not your career, but I feel that a lot of your energy is focused on what happened in the past. And I don't know, I'm getting more of emotional energy for all the people who picked the rose quartz. So I feel that your career is probably not the priority for you at this point of time, and maybe in life you feel that you're more focused on your family or on yourself or some sort of a love issue, because I see more cups or emotions here rather than pentacles or swords, which usually denote like come up in a career reading. So I feel that for all the people who've picked rose quartz, you are being asked to take some time off. Also, it could be that you have been working extremely hard, and maybe because of that you have not taken a lot of time for yourself, or your work-life balance has gone for a toss. So you are being asked to take a back step and maybe take some more time, have some me time, pamper yourself, or just rest and relax. Also, you need to catch up on sleep. I feel a lot of you are sleep deprived. Over the next couple of weeks or months, I feel that you will get an offer which you will not like. So you will probably reject an offer that you receive. This could be an offer which you feel does not pay enough or something like that. Maybe you are holding out for a job from a company that you used to work for previously. This could be true for some of you, not all of you, but I do see some energies related to the past. I feel this is a time where you need to be building blocks for the future, so you need to be putting in effort. This is not a time when you will get quick results or you will see a lot of gains. This is rather a time when you should be building blocks for a safer future, for a more firm foundation for the future. And I feel that the focus should be on you, and you need to just rest and relax a bit and not initiate anything. I feel this is not a time for you to put in a lot or be very aggressive with your career growth. I feel this is a time when you can slowly start building the blocks, but also just focus on yourself and recharging your batteries and getting back to where you were. And you might get an offer, as I said, which may not be exactly what you want, so you might reject it. But the cards are saying that do give it a shot, do consider this offer, because I feel that it could be something which has come in some sort of a disguise, and the universe wants you to embrace this. Of course, this is a general reading, so take it as it resonates, but I feel that you're being asked to embrace this opportunity, this new opportunity that is coming your way. And overall, I feel that this is a time when you are being asked to focus more on your emotional well-being and mental health rather than focusing on your career. I don't see a lot of changes happening, except this one offer which comes your way, which your instant knee-jerk reaction would be to reject this offer because this does not fit your criteria, or it does not fit your checklist. So, but do consider it, at least give it a thought before rejecting it outright. And yeah, so that is what I see for the next couple of weeks or months for all the people who pick the rose quartz. Do let me know if this resonates. Do let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to guess the number on this oracle card. It is from 25 to 45, both numbers included. This is an intuition test. Just go ahead and just guess what number card I'm holding, and I will give a free mini reading to anyone and everyone who guesses the number correctly. Leave your guesses in the comments below. Thank you. And now we move to the last part of this reading, which is all the people who picked this beautiful lepidolite. So let me see what the next couple of weeks or months hold for your career. If I see any major changes happening, if I see any new job offers coming, and even if you are unemployed, this reading will still hold true. So let me see for all the people who have picked the lepidolite. So your okay, got it. So your current energy is perhaps you're looking for a job change. I feel that some of you might be looking for some sort of to settle abroad, or at least to move to another city. That is on the mind of some of the people who have picked the lepidolite. You might be looking for greener pastures. You might be looking at the horizon. You're waiting for your ships to come in. You might have sent in some sort of application or something. This could also be related to higher education or a job application. You are waiting for the news to come in. I feel that there will be an offer soon. There will be an offer over the next couple of weeks or months. And yeah, I do feel that you are going to get what you want. However, you might just, if you're looking for a job change, or if you're looking to relocate, or if you're looking for a project abroad or something, I feel that you will soon realize that there's no other place like home. You will get this homesick feeling. It is uncanny that I picked out this card, which always calls out to me as a card of looking out towards the horizon, looking outside your comfort zone to different geographical location like abroad or in another city or some sort of travel. And this is the card which denotes homesickness to me. So I feel that, sometimes you want something and we try really hard for it, but when we get it, we realize that, oh my god, I'm going to miss everything that I'm leaving behind. So I'm getting that sort of energy for all the people who have picked the lepidolite. If this is not true for you, if you're not looking for anything abroad or in another city, then this could simply be that you're looking for a job change or some sort of change in your career. And when that does happen, you will feel that you're missing the old part of your life which you're leaving behind. So that is what I'm getting. So you could also have this this intense combination of nervousness and excitement. You're excited about starting the next leg of your career journey, career growth, but at the same time you're a little nervous and you're a little nostalgic about what you're leaving behind, the part of your life. And this card is saying that you're being protected by the higher power. So there is something which is protecting you. This card it confirms my doubts about you feeling nostalgic, because I do feel that you will feel nostalgic about what home means to you. So this could literally be home with you moving away from your family or your current city for another job, or shifting of houses or something. Or this could mean missing a job or an organization which feels like home to you, or which meant home to you for a really long time. All in all, this is a good offer for you. So don't be afraid. You're being protected. Just go ahead. This is what you wanted. You're getting what you wanted. So just don't get nostalgic, don't get sad, just go ahead. This is going to turn out great. This is for all the people who have picked the lepidolite. Do leave your comments below, and don't forget to guess the number of this oracle card, which is between 25 to 45. Anyone and everyone who guesses this correctly stands to win a mini free reading from me. Don't forget to leave your guesses in the comments, and don't forget to let me know in the comments if this reading resonated with you. And do check out my other videos. Thank you so much for